Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're new in this channel, you are highly welcome. Okay, so in today's video I'm just gonna show you a natural yet very simple home remedy that would work so well in Okay. Can you see that? I hope you can see. Okay, so it's actually very difficult for me to stand on this thing and actually show you myself very well because of around here. Anyways, so the thing is that when you stop taking that, the tea that I'm going to show you is going to work really fine. Okay, so if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, please share this video, and also leave your comments below. Like, leave your comments, like just comments, okay? And let's dive into this video. So for this belly fat remedy, we're going to be needing this. You know what this is? This is moringa seed. Okay, this is how it comes, and this is how the seed is. Okay, now let me open this one so you can see. If you're aware of moringa leaf, man, you should know about the seed, or probably not. But if you have not heard about the seed, this is how it looks like. Okay. So I'm gonna be disposing of this. And this is just what we'll be needing. Okay, so we're gonna pack the seed and put in the bowl. So what you do is to remove all of this feathering stuff that covers the seed, so you can have just this. And you can actually use the dry moringa seed, okay, so it can be much more better. Now this moringa seed, I actually didn't buy it. Yeah, I plug it somewhere close to me, you know. So but if you want it, guys, you can order it online. This is how it looks like. They will just put it like this, and then put it in a very small stuff, so you can buy it like this. Yeah, so when you come, then you can remove all of the feathering stuff and you'll be left with just the moringa seed. So let's do that. So this is how the seed looks like. Alright, so to prepare that, we're gonna be needing a blender, and we're going to turn the seed into it. You can blend it dry, guys. Okay. Alright, so this is how it looks, powdery. Yeah, so I'm gonna be turning that into the bowl. Moringa seed actually smells milky. It smells like milk, okay, basically. Alright, so for this you can actually blend it and then you keep it, so you can actually be using it every time you want to take this. Okay, so to prepare this, guys, we're going to be needing a glass cup, and for the moringa seed, I'm going to be taking 1 tablespoon. This is actually a teaspoon. Okay, so I'm just going to take 2 of that. At a go, you need 1 full tablespoon at a go into a cup. Now the next thing we're going to be making use of is green tea. Okay, now this is a natural herbs that helps to remove belly fats. Okay, it's going to help to detoxify the body internally, leaving you very light and ready to rock. Okay, so after this, you're going to be putting in the green tea bag. Open it up and then you put it inside the cup. All right. You're also gonna be needing lemon, guys. 1 full cut of lemon is gonna be okay, but if your lemon is super duper big, you can actually use half of it, so you don't need too much of lemon in this mix. Okay, so after cutting the lemon, you're gonna squeeze it in. This lemon does not have too much of water. Since it doesn't have too much of water, guys, we're going to be using the full lemon. Okay. And this is how it is. Now after that is done, you're going to put in hot water or warm water. You have to drink this warm. So I'm going to be turning in warm water into this bowl. And you can see how it is. Okay, the green tea has actually not induced yet into the water, and that's how it's looking milkish. This is basically how moringa seed looks, and it tastes milkish also. Okay, so it doesn't taste bad at all. All right, now we have to hold on for the green tea to get into the water. It will definitely change the color of this tea. Alright, so after waiting for that while, now you're just going to stir it. Okay, so I'm gonna stir this. And if you can drink it with all of the shafts on it, it's still okay. Okay, that's the shafts, but I'm gonna be sieving mine out. I'm not gonna be drinking it with the shaft. So I'm gonna be getting a strainer, and I would have to strain it out. Alright guys, so this is how it looks like. Really friendly, and it tastes good too. We're gonna be making use of honey. Okay, 1 teaspoon of honey is gonna be perfect. Now this is just to sweeten the taste, and honey is also perfect in reducing belly fat because it's not a sweetener that's store in fat to the body. So what we need is 1 teaspoon. Okay, and now you're going to turn that in. Alright, so this is how it is. It tastes really nice. You know, you take this in the evening, and don't take Coca-Cola, guys. Like, avoid the use of Coca-Cola when you're taking this. Just use the honey instead, and you're gonna be loving the result. The result is gonna be so awesome. Okay, so every morning and every evening is going to do the job for you, and you're going to be looking like sweet 16, and all of your fat is going to reduce. Alright guys, so that's it. It's actually a very simple thing to make. It doesn't take too much. It doesn't take too much of time. No, it doesn't take too much of energy. It's actually not too expensive, and it's actually very simple. But one thing is that you have to be consistent, okay? Because you don't expect miracle when it comes to natural thing. It works, but it works when you're actually consistent in using it or in taking it, and it's just going to, you know, make you super duper snatched, super duper, you know, you're just going to begin to see some beauty bone. Anyway, so that's it. If you did love this video, please don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this video, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Please comment, share and subscribe. Bye guys.